This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Arceus X Roblox Mobile on Samsung. First, make sure your Samsung device is running Android version 7 or higher for optimal compatibility. You will also need at least 100 megabytes of free storage space available on your device. It is crucial to only download Arceus X from its official source to avoid security risks and ensure you get the legitimate application. Always verify the website's authenticity before proceeding with any downloads. Next, you need to enable installation from unknown sources on your Samsung device. Go to your device settings, then Security or Privacy, and find the Install Unknown Apps option. Allow your browser to install applications. After enabling this, download the Arceus X application package, or app, file from the verified official website. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder and tap on it to begin the installation. Follow all on-screen instructions precisely. Once Arceus X is successfully installed, open the application on your Samsung device. The app will guide you through a process to obtain an execution key, which is essential for its functionality. This usually involves completing a few steps on a web page, then copying the generated key. After acquiring your unique key, return to the Arceus X application and paste it into the provided field to activate the script execution features. If you encounter issues like the application crashing or freezing, a common fix is to clear its cache and data. Go to your Samsung device settings, then Apps, find Arceus X, and select Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. If problems persist, a complete reinstallation of Arceus X often resolves more complex errors. Furthermore, always ensure your Roblox application itself is updated to its latest version, as compatibility is crucial for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.